In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot sound issues in Roblox. First, go ahead and open any Roblox game on your device and then press the escape key in your keyboard. Once done, go to your settings that you will find between the people and captures option. Then scroll down and here you will see the volume option. Once you find the volume control and confirm that the volume isn't muted or set to 0. If the volume is up, you still don't hear anything, you can try this. Right click on the volume icon on your system tray, then go to Open Sound Settings. Ensure that Roblox isn't muted and that its volume is set to an audible level. If this sound still does not work after checking these settings, you need to go ahead and move on to the next step. But before that, make sure that the master volume is turned on. Open the Device Manager on your device. In the Device Manager section, go ahead and tap on Audio Inputs and Outputs. Tap on this drop-down menu and you will see all the output and input devices. From here, right-click on the input or the output device and then tap on Update Driver. If any updates are available, install them. And if you're still having sound problems after updating your drivers, try this final step. Open the Run dialog box by searching for Run. Search for Run. Then after, simply type in %temp%. Then hit enter in your keyboard. Press Ctrl+A on your keyboard, right-click on it, and then tap on delete. Delete all the files that can be possibly deleted in this folder, and you'll be done. These are the temporary files, and deleting them might resolve the sound issue, and that should fix the no sound issue in Roblox. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.